Who doesn't want more engagement on Instagram? Every person and brand focuses to get more likes, comments, and shares. But there's also one thing that can help you provide more reach and engagement: viewers saving your post. You must have seen many Instagram accounts ask their followers to save the post. There's a reason behind it. They know that saving the post can help you get more reach above your followers. So, mostly the reason for using the save is to watch the post later. Often, an Instagram user is not interested in the reel or IGTV or post, or just doesn't have the time, but they still think the post is worth watching or reading later. It's when Instagram users click the save button, and it helps the creators and business accounts massively as it provides reach. Does your post get more saves? Do you know how to check the saves of your posts? If not, then let me tell you. If you have a business account or a creator's account, then you can check it. To check it, you can click the View Insights link below your post, and in case of a reel, first open the reel, then click the three dots, then click View Insights, and you'll see the saves. Now check these insights and see if you're getting a good number of saves. If not, then don't worry. This video will show you the types of posts you can use to get more save. But before that, just one favor. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. As explained earlier, you'll get more saves if the viewer considers the post very important and useful. So whatever you post, it needs to be useful for your target audience. There are a few types of posts on which Instagram gets more saves. Let's see these types and understand why these posts get more saves. The first is tutorial and step-by-step navigation reel. The tutorial is one that explains what something is or how to do something. No matter which niche you are in, you can create reels like this. It can be anything like explaining how to create a graphic, how to remove the background on a picture, or even how to make a delicious pizza. With this, you can also create reels to explain a process step by step. For example, step-by-step explanation of how to clean up your PC. The reason for this post getting more saves is that viewers consider it useful, but they are not currently able to apply this information. Hence, they save it for later. As a viewer, see a pizza tutorial on a weekday and they save it for the weekend, and at the weekend, they may again watch the tutorial to actually make the recipe. The next way to get more saves is providing a list. You may have seen those types of posts or reels where a user shows unique websites for a specific purpose or best books on a particular topic. These types of posts receive many saves as users consider a tool or website worth using later or a book worth reading. Although keep in mind that books and tools are just examples. You can create these types of reels no matter what your niche is. For example, if your account is related to fitness, you can create a reel or post like 5 high protein foods. If your account is related to digital marketing, you can create a reel like 5 free digital marketing courses. Now, the next is detailed posts. As I explained at the start, people tend to save a post because of time. If the post is worth giving time to, but they don't actually have the time immediately, they will save that post. But for this, the post needs to be detailed, and for that, you can do two things. Either create a carousel post or post just a single relatable picture and use a caption to explain the image. Both these types of posts have higher chances of getting more saves. You can also repurpose your blog and make it a carousel post or add the text info in the caption. You can check National Geographic's Instagram account and see the detailed caption they post to get more inspiration for this. Now, next is infographics. Infographics are visual representations of data. It's like explaining information with the help of visually appealing graphics. This graphic helps a person understand something in less or no words, and hence that kind of post tends to get more saves for viewers. This infographic could be anything like explaining the statistics or creating a timeline graphic. To make this type of post, what you need is a tool. It's great if you have knowledge of graphic designing tools like Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape, but if you don't have any knowledge of it, it's still okay. You can use tools like Canva, which may not need any graphic designing knowledge. If you want to understand how this infographic will look, you can check Insta accounts like @agrasso_blog. And now, the last is quotes. Who doesn't love quotes? We all do, as it helps to motivate us. But not just motivation, they can also help you get more reach as they give you many clicks on the save button. Quotes are the ones people tend to read more than once, and hence they save them if it appeals to them. So, these are the 5 types of posts which you should go for. Keep in mind, posting these types of posts doesn't guarantee success. Before posting, it's better that you study your target audience and then post relevant content that your viewers will consider worth watching and then eventually save it. So that's the video. If you want tips to gain followers, please check out our video by clicking on the I button in the right corner. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like our video. You can also visit our website papervideo.com. Thanks for watching.